In this video we will install virtual env to create our own virtual environments for Python and Atom. To do so, we open our terminal and first install this package, which is called virtual env. So we do sudo apt get install python 3 dash virtual env. So once installation is complete, we can create our first virtual environment. I like to have all virtual environments in one folder, so I will cd to this folder, create a folder for my virtual environments. And to create a new virtual environment, just type in virtual env and then the name of your environment. In my case, I want to have a virtual environment for a Kivy project, so I will call it Kivy VNV. Confirm with enter. To activate now your virtual environment, type in source, the name of your virtual environment, /bin/activate. And now you can see that your virtual environment is activated because the name of this virtual environment is in front of your command line. To deactivate the environment, type in deactivate. Perfect. So now let's close this terminal window and make sure that we can also use our virtual environment within Atom. We have to install a package. Click on Edit, Preferences, Install, and then search for Virtual Environment. And there should be a package called Atom Python Virtual Env. Install it. So once the installation is complete, click on Settings and scroll down to this text entry for the home variable. Reopen your terminal and then cd into your directory in which you have the environment. Type pwd, copy this path and insert it here. Now you can close the settings panel and you should find under packages this entry virtual env, then select. And here is our virtual environment that we just created. To activate it, just click on it. This is confirmed. We can also see here at the bottom that this virtual environment is activated. To deactivate, just click on Packages again, Virtual env, and deactivate. And now you can see that no virtual environment is running.